Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Yonan. Excuse my voice. Excuse my voice. I'm sick and this is my first sick in 2023. Yay! So I just want to very quick unbox these with you. Um, these are order from AliExpress. Let me explain first. I was just lay down until my nephew he bring a dragon. He have beautiful like purplish pinkish dragon. It's so amazing. It's 3D printed. So I asked him from where you got it. He said my mom, she got me from AliExpress. So I asked her and I immediately purchased 3 of these 3 printed dragons. And this is my first time I cover here because there's some paper for my dress and stuff. And immediately I purchased 3. And this is my first actually time seeing these 3 printed dragons. They are so amazing and they super articulated, and I'm so excited for them to give like I purchased 3, one black and one orange and one white. I'm gonna explain to you after I open them. So these like for example like pets for my BGD dolls. Oh wow. So this is the black and this is the orange. Oh my god. So beautiful. And this is the white. Okay, because this one it's here clear, so let me open it for you guys. So wow. Oh my word, this is so awesome. This is not a broken thing. This is his mustache. I think it's gonna be like, it's put like this. It's Chinese dragon. I wish they are European dragons with the wings and stuff. But this one, it's so amazing too. It's so amazing. Did you see the colors? It's so beautiful. Like, oh my god. My nephew, he have a purple with a pink colors, just like this. So as you see, it's so beautiful. I forget the length of this. I'm gonna correct myself here in the screen. And these legs is articulated. This is the front one. And these are 3 printed dragon. Wow, I'm obsessed. Look at this. It's just like came from a fire. Look at these details, y'all. It's so beautiful. And this is my first time I try or see 3 printed thing, and like I touch it, it's just like velvety texture. It's so beautiful. And look at these guys. Wow. Oh, did you know he reminds me of Mushu from Mulan? Oh, he's exactly like him. I'm a dragon, I'm not a snake. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. All right, this is the first one. Let me open the white one. I'm so excited about them. Oh my god. It's so amazing too, but this color is just killing it. It's so beautiful. Like, give you two tones like red and orange, like exactly like a fire. But this one, it is one solid color, which is white, but it is not pure white. It is, I don't know if that's pick up in the camera or not, but it's white but have like a lavendery tint. Like it's just like have a lavender undertone, and it is exactly the same. It's just articulated and stuff, you know. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. And look at these. And I got this one just for fun. Maybe I add it in my story, I don't know, but I love Spirited Away the dragon. His name is Haku. If you see the Spirited Away from Ghibli movie, you know what I'm talking about. I'm trying to put the picture for him here in the screen, and this is awesome. I'm excited for the black one because that's what I want for my Jad. And yeah, I'm gonna compare these with my dolls. Okay, anyways, so this is awesome, you guys. This is so awesome. Look at these details. I don't know if I can just paint them. I have no idea about the material here, and the 3D printed stuff. This is the black. It's solid black. It does not have like other colors, but it's solid black. Let me open it. Oh wow, he's so shiny, like so shiny, so beautiful. So if you know about the material, guys, about the material, if I can just spray it with Mr. Super Clear and paint it, if you have any idea if that's gonna work, just let me know please down in comment section. And I want to show you the this cloth. I think this hand, and it's exactly the same detail and this guy like the others, but I'm obsessed with the orange one. It is like the color, it's so beautiful. And wow, oh my god, I'm so happy. All right, and I think this is a 3 printed. It is not a recast, quote unquote. Oop, I just threw his mustache. So I'm gonna put my Jad here, one of my dolls, and I show you the size comparison. Okay, this is it. This is, if you wondering, this is my raccoon doll Elf Monica, and I want a pet for her, like a dragon or something. And I found this, as you see in the first time in the first video. And yeah, so this is the comparison length with my Jad. Oh my god, it's so like the length, it's nice. Good for her as a pet. I don't want it just really big because she and her character should be a dragon herself. So I need a pet for her. And I wish it is like as I mentioned before, it is a European dragon, but this one it's okay, of course. It's at least it's dragon. Let me put it here. Oh wow, that's awesome, you guys. So beautiful. Look at that. And I'm gonna paint his eyes like green or maybe yellow. That will be awesome, but I don't know about the material, if they can take the paint and the Mr. Super Clear or not. So please, 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 if you have any idea about this materials and if I can just paint them or not, just let me know down in the below. So let's see the orange one with her. Wow, it's so beautiful. To be quite honest, I believe this. I think I love this orange one with her more than the black. Wow, that's awesome. It's epic, like really epic. It's so beautiful. Let's try the white. Yeah, it's okay. I don't really in love with the white one, but the orange, it's killing it. It's just really killing it. It's so beautiful. And the black and the white. So I hope you enjoy with me in this pretty quick video, and I'm gonna put the link, the store that I purchased from AliExpress. I'm gonna put it down below. If you want one of these for yourself, I'm gonna put the link down below so you can visit it and just purchase your own. I hope you enjoy. I hope you have a healthy, good day. And again, excuse my voice, I'm sick now, and see ya in my next one, you guys. Ciao, ciao.